This is Phil from Rvinyl, and today I'm going to show you how to install Rtint Precut Headlight Tint. The first step is to make sure that your headlight has been properly cleaned. We recommend using Rapid Prep or any other cleaning solution that you know isn't going to damage your headlight, and a low lint cloth to make sure there's nothing left over on your headlight after you've thoroughly cleaned it. We like to clean the area around the headlight as well. This prevents you picking up any type of dirt or any other contaminants that might delaminate your headlight tint. Next, we spray the light with Rapid Tac. This helps promote adhesion and prevents delamination. It's great for more permanent applications, even though all Rtint products are removable. You can use the Rapid Tac as a slip solution. This is great for really curved lights or where you may need to reposition the film during application. Rtint comes pre-packaged with a driver side and passenger side headlight tint. Once you open up your package, you're going to want to make sure that you're working with the proper headlight, in this case, the driver side. Carefully begin to peel it off the craft liner. Begin by aligning the film to an edge. The film is bubble-free and it comes with air egress technology built right into the tint. This makes it great to be able to reposition the film, making sure that it's actually in place. You can see here that I'm peeling it back and forth, working the film. It's not delaminating, it's not losing any of its adhesive power, and it's super stretchy. For this particular installation, it was easiest to tack it down into the corner, stretching the film from the inside all the way to the outside of the light. I would lift it up, reposition it, tack it down a little bit more, and just work in small sections. The film is bubble free, so it's pretty easy to push out any of the bubbles that might have gotten trapped with your hand or the included application card. Because of the contours of the light, you're pretty much going to have to work it into place. You're taking a 2D film and applying it over a 3D surface. During application, you've most likely overstretched the film. That's okay, it's actually designed to be super stretchy. This allows you to get it past all the contours and convex surfaces of your light. The excess film is easily trimmed off with a razor and pulled away. It's important to work in the edges. This allows it to be car wash safe. Even though you don't have to, we like to polish our smoked lights with Rapid Clear. This really helps bring out the shine and luster. If you like what you see, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.